Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited AI animated videos for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Meta AI to create AI animated video. First of all, you can open up the Meta AI. You can open it from WhatsApp or from Messenger or maybe Instagram. It's up to you. And here I have already opened my Meta AI on WhatsApp. And then you're going to add a prompt and you can ask the AI to generate an image for you. And for the prompt, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. And then I'm going to go back to the Meta AI and then we can type a message here. Okay, and this is the previous generation guys. Okay, and you're going to hold on. Okay, and it's free guys. You don't need to subscribe to the AI to create this kind of animation. Yeah, I know it's not that perfect, but it can be alternative if you can't subscribe to the Pro AI. Okay, and the image has been generated, and then you're going to ask the AI to animate your image. Okay, and it will create an animation like this. And if you want to generate the long video, you can create the image scene by scene and you can ask it to animate your video. Okay, and this is the result. And you can click on this icon to download the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create unlimited AI animated videos. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.